Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut on laptop. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have installed CapCut application on your laptop. And after you have CapCut installed on your laptop, you just need to open your CapCut application. And after that, if you want to start creating new projects, we can click on Start Creating right here. Then we can import photos, audios, or pictures, or videos to our project. And we just need to click on this Import button to import materials from our laptop. And for example, I'm just going to import this video and also this audio, and after we are done selecting the materials, we just need to click on open button right here, and you can select the materials as much as you want and just click on this open button to import the materials. Okay, and now the materials have been imported to our project, and if we want to start editing this video, we just need to drag this video right here. Then I'm going to drag this audio as well right here, and for example, I'm going to make this audio align with this video, so I'm just gonna put this parameter to this part. Then we can click on the audio like this, then click on split and just click on this delete button to delete the unwanted part of the audio. Okay, and we can start editing our videos right here. If you want to put text, you just need to click on text right here, and you can also put stickers, effects, transition, filters, and we can also adjust the video. And make sure that you have internet connection to download all this stickers, effects, and transition. And then if you want to edit this video, you just need to tap on the video, then you can use the editing feature right here. You can edit the audio of the video, you can speed up the video, and you can also put animation. And then if you want to edit the audio, you just need to tap on the audio section right here. Then you can volume up or volume down. You can also put like fade in and fade out effect, and you can also speed up the audio. Okay guys, and that's basically how we can use CapCut on laptop. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.